Hi guys, here's another weird one for today. I was very busy lately, so I don't really have time to play with all these pumps and research and all that. But here's an idea. We can take some voltage out from these pumps by using sound. And I'm gonna show you what I came across earlier on today. The principle of this pump, it's the way it works, it's you vibrate the core in the middle with something, sometimes a magnet or by even tapping it, and that vibration will get induced in the coils, which will vibrate the electrons, which will produce voltage. And because the wiring gets wrapped around in left turn and right turn around the core, it will give you that alternative way, so we have alternative current come out of it. Now I'm going to show you by using a simple app on the phone how you can get up to 10 volts, sometimes even 13 volts completely silent just by placing the speaker of the phone between the poles and cranking up the volume as much as my phone can allow it. And you get some impressive results. So with further ado, let's crack on. So I'm just gonna connect the poles to this one. It's the multimeter, it's set on 20 volts, and that's the app I'm using. So that's how it goes. I'm just gonna place, there's the speaker of the phone. I'm just gonna place the phone between the poles and turn it on. And there it goes. 12 volts at 16, 14 volts at 16 hertz. And if I turn it down, the volt goes away. Turn it up, 18 volts, 15 volts. That it's without hearing anything. Changing the frequency will result in different voltage. How crazy is that? Producing alternative current voltage without even tapping the metal or spinning a magnet between. Just pure 16 hertz coming out of a speaker of my phone. There you go. Each of these pumps are tuned to a different frequency, it will respond. But you get my drift, what I try to say. And if I turn it down, the voltage goes completely away. Turn it down, I can't hear it, but there it is. It produces voltage between the coils. Now, this app has a limitation of how high I can turn up the frequency, but if you have the right stuff, it's basically, you can crank this up and you can get, let's say, probably 50-100 volts out of it just by using sound frequency between the two armatures. That's crazy, I would say. It's something to think of. Anyway, thanks.